Welcome to my channel. As mentioned in the previous video, today I am going to show you this final part of introduction of tools in Adobe Illustrator. You can follow the description mentioned below for each tools. Subscribe this channel and press the bell button for my updates. Well, let's start the tutorial. Measure tool, as the name suggests, is used to measure the distance between 2 points. Click on the starting point of the line that you want to measure and drag it all the way through the ending point of the line. When you click on the artboard, the info panel pops up automatically and you'll be able to see the size or dimension information there. This tool allows you to blend objects and colors to create beautiful compositions. This is a live tool, meaning you can change its object or shape, its color or position, and the blend will be updated live like this. This is Symbol Sprayer tool, and by double-clicking on the icon, you can change the symbolism tool options. And to use the Symbol Sprayer in Adobe Illustrator, you need to select the symbol in the symbol panel. Any symbol can be used, and if you wish to use your own Illustrator artwork as a symbol, all you need to do is drop your artwork on top of the panel and it will become available as a symbol in the panel. To access the other Symbol Sprayer options, just left-click and hold down on the Symbol Sprayer tool in the toolbar and you will see a number of options for editing this group. The first tool is the Symbol Shifter. This enables you to click and drag your Adobe Illustrator symbol instances around in the group to position them more accurately. Symbol Scruncher tool allows you to tighten up the symbols within the group. If you hold down Alt key on your keyboard, this will have the opposite reaction. It will essentially loosen the group and push the instances further apart. The Symbol Sizer tool will increase the size of your symbol instances within your Symbol Sprayer group. If you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, it will have the opposite action and reduce the size of your symbol instances. By using the Adobe Illustrator Symbol Spinner tool, you can easily rotate each instance of your symbol within the group. You will see small arrows appear that you can drag around to change the direction of the instances. With the Symbol Stainer, you can choose a color from your swatches panel as a fill color. Then when you click on your symbol instances, it will start to stain them with that color. The longer you click, the heavier the stain. Also, much like the other tools, if you hold Alt, it will have the opposite reaction and remove the stained color. Next tool is the Symbol Screener. This will make the symbol instances start to go transparent. The longer you click, the more opacity. Pressing the Alt key will have the opposite effect and make them less transparent. Symbol Styler tool lets you apply or remove a graphic style from a symbol instance. All the graph tools in Adobe Illustrator follow the same process in making any graphs. You can use the graph tool to create graphs according to the data you require. Column graphs are similar to bar graphs. It is represented by the height of the column, which represents the amount being compared. Bar graph shows comparisons among discrete categories. One axis shows categories being compared, and the other axis represents a measured value like this. A line graph, as its name says, depicts data in the form of lines. It is mainly used to relate how the data changes over a period of time. One axis displays the value, and the other axis shows the timeline. Data series are placed on top of one another in vertical columns to create a stacked column chart. Because it is simple to compare total column lengths, stacked column charts may be used to demonstrate change over time. Area graphs are used to illustrate to find out the change in quantities over a period of time. It is also said to be an extension of the line graph. Scatter plot graph or chart helps in depicting relationships between two different variables using dots. The position of each dot indicates values for the horizontal and vertical axis. The dots in the graph depict not only individual points but also a pattern that they follow. Pie charts have no relation to graphs. I am adding them here because in Illustrator, a pie graph tool is mentioned, and it plays an important role in illustrating statistical data. Radar charts are a type of chart that is used to depict multivariate data. They are used to plot one or more groupings of data across numerous common factors in order to visualize the relationship between them. Here you can add multiple artboards to a document using the Artboards tool. Select the Artboard tool in the Tools panel. Drag to create an artboard. Choose an artboard preset from the Properties panel to the right of the document to resize the new artboard. Drag the artboard to position it. To rename an artboard, double-click the artboard name in the Artboards panel, change it, and then press Enter or Return. The tiling feature is ideal when printing a banner, sign or logo for your business that is too large to fit on paper your printer is capable of printing on, letter, legal, tabloid and the like. Click on the artboard to zoom in and hit Option key, then click on the artboard to zoom out. The Slice tool in Illustrator is also called the Slice Selection tool. The Slice tool is used in the creation of web pages and web design works. The Slice tool helps the user to create different slices or pieces of the object and place them according to their requirements and needs. You can modify a slice by selecting the Slice Select tool and clicking on the slice you wish to edit. Use the drawing modes, draw inside and draw behind, to quickly add interest to your artwork. At the bottom of the toolbar there is a toggle button. Through this button we can change the screen modes like this. By the Tool Selection menu, you can assemble your tools as your choice. So I'm stopping here for today. This is the last video about tools, and watch the other two videos to learn about other tools not mentioned here. Always try to use these tools creatively with your artworks, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and if you learned something from this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Subscribe this channel and press the bell button for upcoming videos. Stay safe and have a good day.